Hey Steve, how are you doing today? You just relaxing? You just relaxing? My cat Steve, he's getting a little too fat. I think it's a good time for me and him to start exercising together more and more. I mean, he's an indoor cat, so he doesn't get the exercise that regular outdoor cats get. Ready, Steve? Ready for your exercise? Your workout? Okay, first, it's the back flip. Nice. Okay, let's try it again. I want some more rotations. Don't lay down. Can't rest yet. You gotta do 5 sets and then you have a rest. Oh, 360. Oh, nice. That was like a cat's version of a kickflip. Oh! Alright. 1 minute rest and we're back at it. You can't make a cat exercise, so I find the best way to do so is to throw it in the air.
Yeah.
And it's just helps out a lot.
Who's a big boy?
Alright. Yeah, he's breathing heavy, you can tell. Listen. Oh, yeah.
Definitely burned some calories there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's good for his cardio. His heart rate's up. He's overweight, but there's lots of fat athletes.
15 pounds, I think he weighs.
Yeah, 15.
Jeez. Well,
fat.
hopefully we can bring that down to a solid 6 pounds.
Yeah, he'd be healthy at 6 to 7 pounds.
Okay, so you want to aim for the head. Zombies will not die unless you detonate the brain. Alright, so that concludes our weekend tutorial chip. Did you have any other questions?
So, have you found a job yet?
No, I have not found employment. I'm looking.